Welcome back to Midwich TV. We're here at Tech Expose. I'm with Fraser Cousins of Smart, the Stand 43. What have you got to show me? Look at this lovely little beauty.
Well, we're going to show you the first public unveiling of what's called the Smart 7000 series, which is the 7300,
right,
which now includes a built-in Windows 10 computer. I want you to hold this in your hand. You won't believe this, but this is the actual Windows 10 computer that's powering
this tiny little thing here.
That credit card size thing. Like, let's give a perspective of size here. This is that tiny.
Look at that.
But it's a full i5 conferencing computer that's powering this full experience that we're seeing for us.
That's incredible.
All right, well, let's take a look at this one over here. So this is our start experience. So first off, the 7300 has built-in proximity sensors, so the system will automatically wake up when you walk into the room. Or if no one's there, it'll go to sleep. So kind of like a sunrise.
Yeah.
It turns on when you walk
Energy
in.
saving, no?
Remote controls, right?
That's really
And then
good.
it'll wake up to this. So you'll see that it has a date and time of the meeting. You know which meeting room name it is. And if you've invited the meeting room to the meeting, it will automatically publish the calendar of the day of the meeting room. So you don't have to really know anything. You just look at your meeting. I was invited to the Simon Hayes meeting, and then I join it. You'll notice if it was a Skype for Business call, it'll automatically illuminate the Skype for Business join button. I simply tap that to join my meeting, and I'm off to the races.
That's so simple.
Yeah, if you know how to invite the room, you can join a smart meeting. And even better, the admin has complete control of this experience, so you can change the background, brand it yours. If you want to expose other apps, just like your iPhone, you can press and hold, move which apps around that you want to add, and anything that's loaded on your computer, you can expose on that meeting room computer to your users to have access to. So it doesn't have to be just about the conference call.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can you do the same thing with the sharing as well, when you're sharing information like you said at the start? Can you share?
That is a good segue. You are a professional. So let me show you that. So it's important to be able to share your content. So I'll show you that. I'll have you hold maybe the microphone
I'll
for
hold
me.
this.
So it's as simple as swiping up and hitting AirPlay. And what I'm able to do is choose the meeting room I want to share, and it will simply allow me to be able to connect my material with the screen. And so you're noticing that we're sharing all that material at once. And I not only can share my phone, but I can share all different types of devices, a computer, a phone, an Android, an iOS, anything without an app. We are doing 60 frames per second of this material. I can choose one to focus on at one point, or I could bring and do a comparative review of multiple at once.
So you can share any information. I suppose if you've got other attendees in the meeting, you've got a bigger group of people, they can all bring their information as well.
That's right. We can do up to 8 devices at once and do 60 frames per second. And I want you to notice that this is a window that can be shared through the Skype for Business call, so all the far end can witness and see what's happening.
That's incredible.
Yeah. So beyond easy share, because content is important to share, we can mark that up and save it as well. But we also have a built-in whiteboard.
Right.
And the whiteboard is really intended for breaking down the problems around problem solving. So think at the end of a meeting where you're doing action, owner, timeline, who's doing what by when, right? This tool will allow you to do a lot more. So the first thing that this guy does is it offers pressure. So just like the Surface Hub, you can absolutely have full pressure inking on this experience. Give it a try.
Right, I'm going to say.
So it offers a delightful, fast, fluid experience on marking. Yeah.
It's very, very low latency, isn't it?
You're kind of a little bit messy, so I'm going to clear that up.
Clear
I'm going to hit the microphone button. Clear whiteboard. You'll notice that it can absolutely understand voice command as well.
And it can get your accent. That's all right.
It does like my accent.
It's all right.
It can even do narration. Shut up. I'm actually narrating. So you'll notice that I absolutely can narrate right on the screen of whatever we're talking about itself.
That's an incredible feature.
Yeah, and the last one I'm going to show you, because this one does a ton of tricks, it also understands the concept of dynamic objects. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of different file types for you to show you that feature. So I'm going to bring those out. It kind of comes out in a delightful way on how you can actually work on material. You'll notice that each object is its own container. Whichever one I bring up becomes the focus of that point. And when I mark up, the ink stays exactly where it's supposed to. So regardless of what aspect ratio, it's anchored directly where it is. And I can then email that, save that, whatever I'd like to do for that particular thing.
I'm dumbfounded.
Well, that is the 7300 series of Smart. You can see that at smarttech.com or here right live at the Midwich event.
Yeah, are you enjoying the event? It's your first one?
This is my second one. I was here last year, but I'm excited to show our new product today.
Yeah. So Tech Exposed, come and check us out. Thanks very much for your time, Fraser. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.